Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Bsc Programming Jobs. I am Surya. Today I will discuss TCS Smart hiring result update in this video. Why TCS is delaying the result and when we can expect, and there are some points which I explain in this video. So be with me guys. So why TCS is delaying? There are many questions in the YouTube channel and the Telegram channel. You guys were asking because you have given the exam on 2nd and 14th of July and you must receive the result in this week. So there were no update from the TCS. That's why I am making this video. So as you know that TCS hires for many process and one of the process is a BPS. So BPS is just a process service and the results are announced for this process, and now TCS is sending the message to the eligible candidates who are selected candidates that they want them to remove the IT field from the TCS next step portal as the document verifications are going on. So this might be a reason. And second also other process results and document verification are going on. So TCS I think TCS will release the result by this month. So don't worry guys, be with me, and for this I will call the TCS to get an update and will provide you the information by Tuesday. So stay connected with me and follow my Telegram channel and subscribe my YouTube channel for getting the updates. Thank you.